Okay, this is November 2023, paper 1H, question 22. In this question, 1 centimeter is 1 unit on the x-axis and 1 centimeter 1 unit on the y-axis. P is a point on a circle with center 0, 0, and the coordinates of P are 8 and -10. It will be good if we try to understand it with a rough figure. It becomes easier. P is a point on a circle with center 0, 0. So let's try to draw a circle with center 0, 0. Okay, and rest I will mark with hand. So the coordinates of P are 8 and -10. So suppose this is my point P. Imagine 8 and -10. So if I am having say 8 here, 8, and say -10 here, maybe I don't know where -10 is, -10 here. Okay, so that this point is P, for example, 8 and -10. Okay, the line L is the tangent to the circle at P. So let's try to draw a tangent to the circle at P. And it will touch definitely the x and y axis. So it crosses the x-axis at the point Q. So this is my Q and this is my R. Hope it is clear. Okay. And they are asking us to find the length of RQ. So for finding the length of RQ, I need to know the coordinates of R and Q. Now, since Q is lying on the x-axis, it will have coordinates of the form x, 0. We don't know what is x. And R will have coordinates of the form 0, y. We don't know what is y is. Okay. So, only information that we know is the coordinates of P and also the center, which is 0, 0. So, since they have told that P is a tangent, so by the properties of circle, we know that the radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, and so let's find the gradient of OP. Gradient M of OP, where I'm taking O as the origin, will be -10 minus 0 over 8 minus 0, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In simplest form, it will be -5 over 4. Okay. So if the gradient of this radius is -5 over 4, then the gradient of the tangent will be negative reciprocal. So for L, it will be 4 over 5 because the two lines are perpendicular. OP is my radius and L is my tangent. So I got my gradient. Now I have to find the equation of the tangent. I can easily find using the y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, I already got my gradient as 4 over 5x plus c. And since I know 1.8 and -10 lying on the line, I can substitute -10 equals 4 over 5, sorry for the times 8 plus c. This will give me -10 is equal to 32 over 5, which will be 6.32 over 5, 6.4 plus c. So that my c will be -16.4. So my equation of line I have got as 4 over 5x minus 16.4. You can even write it as a fraction. Okay. And once I got the equation of the line, I can find this x by substituting y as 0 and this y by substituting x as 0. For example, for r, what is the point R? R is this one. x is 0. Okay, let me change the color. For r, which is 0 comma y, let's put x as 0. So 4 over 5 times 0 minus 16.4. So my y is equal to just negative 16.4. So the point r is 0 comma negative 16.4. And similarly, for q, it is x comma 0. So I will put y as 0 equals 4 over 5x minus 16.4, or 4 over 5x is equal to 16.4, or x is equal to 16.4 divided by 4 over 5. Please check the answer yourself. I'm getting it as 20.5. Okay, so that, I'm sorry, my pen is this thing, 20.5 comma 0. Okay, and once I've got these two, I can find the distance between them using the distance formula, which is x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square, which will be square root 0 minus. So in any case, you will get, see, minus plus, it will be square when you're doing, it will be proper, plus 20.5 square, and you should get the final answer. Okay, hope the thing is clear. Mainly if you understand this, it should be proper. Answer is coming as 26.3. Okay, and just now I checked, the answer is correct also. Hope it's clear.